Okay, so in my math classes, guys, we've been talking about order of operations. And remember that our order of operations is parentheses, which is we're going to do everything in parentheses first. Exponents, we're going to do everything with the exponent on it next. And remember, those are numbers like 4 to the second power, which was 16 because it's 4 times 4. Or 3 to the second power is 3 times 3, which is 9. So we're going to do that next. And then we're going to do all multiplication and division left to right. So remember, if we had the problem 24 plus 12 minus 6, we're going to do 24 plus 12 first, which is 36, and then take away 6 to get 30. Same point if we had 12 minus 2 plus 7. We're going to do 12 minus 2, which is 10, plus 7, which is 17. And then, last but certainly not least, you're going to do addition and subtraction. Once again, from left to right. Same thing as this here. Alright, we do this multiplication or addition, subtraction, but you do them left to right at the same time because they're opposites of one another. So, when I'm talking about order of operations here, guys, let's look at a problem like this here. 16 minus 2 times 4 plus 8 plus 10. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to look and I'm going to say, okay, any parentheses on this problem? There are no parentheses. And then I'm going to say any exponents. There are no exponents on this problem. So then I'll look and I'll say, is there any multiplication and division? And I do all that left to right. Well, I have some multiplication right here. So I'll do 16 minus 8 plus 10 because 2 times 4 gave me 8, and I just brought everything else straight down. So then I'll look, do I have any more multiplication and division? I don't. So I'm done with all these steps. So the last thing left is addition and subtraction. So I'll do 16 minus 8 before I do plus because I do them left to right. So I'll have 8 plus 8 plus 10. And then 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 10, which gives me 26. Let's look at a harder one, like 4 minus 2 times 8 minus 5. So here I look and I say, do I have any parentheses? Well, I do right here, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. After those parentheses, and I get rid of those parentheses, I just bring everything else straight down, and then I'll say, do I have any exponents? There are no exponents. Then I'll say, do I have any multiplication? I do. 2 times 8 is 16 minus 5. I've gotten rid of all my multiplication, all my division. Now I have addition and subtraction left, and that's 11. Alright, if I had the problem, square root of 25 minus 4 times 3 minus 1, how would I do this? Same thing, same basic principle. I look and I do all my parentheses first. 3 minus 1, which gives me 2. So I just got rid of that, and I just bring everything else straight down. Now some of you may be going crazy and freaking out over the square root of 25, but it's easy. And that's also, when we get to the square roots, we're talking about exponents. It's the inverse of an exponent. So we're going to do square root of 25 now, and that's 5. So we'll evaluate that because 5 times 5 is 25. And so square root of 25 is 5. And then we just bring down our minus 4 times 2. After this point, we're just going to now say 4 times 2, which is 8. So we'll have 5 minus 8. Now some of you may say, well, that you can't do that. Well, you can. You have 5 positives here. You have 8 negatives here. So if you think about it, these negatives and positives cancel each other out, and you're left with 3 negatives, so this is negative 3 is our answer. So anyway, here's a little podcast, a little screencast of what we're doing, and I hope that that's helped you guys a whole lot.